G'day everyone, welcome back to Larry's Fishing. Lockdown's over, so we have taken a little road trip up to the Billabong Creek in Wanganella. It's about 35 k's or so north of Denilic. Got two rods, using just worms today, hoping to catch a yellowbelly or a big carp. This is where we're fishing today, the Billabong Creek out at Wanganella, home of the Pepin Merino. Yes. I live out in the country when sheep are a big part of what's going on. So I'm using a high-low rig again today. Worms on both. And yeah, so we'll see how we go. One of the pretty birds that hang around here. This is the Billabong. After all that time, we finally hooked into something. Not sure what it is. Oh, it's a big carp. Big carp. So there we go. After about 4 hours of fishing, and he is 73 centimeters. Big fella. So 4 hours of fishing, finally got something. Had a couple bites today, but it's been very, very slow. I had a local come by and he said that the water's dropped about 5 feet in 2 days. So that could be a big reason why. But monster carp, 73 centimeters, that may be my biggest. I'm pretty sure with the mat that is my biggest. Yeah, it's close. But yeah, so one on the board. We've got the lines back out. Hopefully we can catch something else. Just another one of the very pretty birds. That's a galar. They're not known to be very smart. They're very pretty. Hey everyone, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It was an absolutely gorgeous day today. Fishing wasn't so hot, didn't catch the yellowbelly I was hoping for, but did land a monster carp, which was good. And until next time, keep fishing.